Hi guys, my name is Rohit Patel and today's date is the 13th August 2022 and today's video topic is static keyword in Java. The static keyword in Java programming language, the keyword static means the particular method belongs to the type of itself and rather than the other instance of the type. In that it means the we will create only one instance of the static member, and that is shared or as a instance of the classes. In that the class variables, heap memory, and the static memory was available, and static field of a class or a variable, in that static field exactly a single copy of a field is created, and the memory among the instance of a class stored in a class. And it does matter how many times it will be initiate or initiate a class, but there will only one copy static of the belongs it. In static variable are stored in a class memory stores. And example of it, let's say we have create a class of several times or several attributes that are instance variable. And in that whenever we initiate the number or initiate a new object from example of car of a blueprint, that car of a blueprint, then the class copy of that instance variable, the instance variable is having a distance of that. And in that the initiate car object, initiate of a new object shared to other class, and the instance they access it in increment upon in their initializes. In that the static memory, class memory, or class methods, and second is the static block, and third one is the static class. In static memory, the class memory also belongs to the class instance and of the object. So we can call them without creating an object to class which they resides. And in static block, it the static variable requires additional multiple and statement logical during the initializing. So we can use this in the static block. And static class that we call the nested class, that in that nested class, the exact it exactly like as the another topic level of class, but in their enclosed in a only class that will access it that will access it to provide a better package to covers. And in that the static works like class goes to the class where the class creates a thread, and that thread goes to the main method, and main method execute the in that main method the m1 m2 and m3 classes are available. And he execute that methods. First he will check all the methods and he will execute. That is in the static memory, or we will say to primitive data. And non-primitive is that he will create an object of address, and that will show in that create heap memory. It will be directly directly show of that class and connection of that heap memory and class memory. That's all from my side. Thank you.